I was about to read Psalm 46, and I just couldn't get past the first 2 verses without just feeling like overwhelmed. The psalmist talks about God is our refuge and strength, very present help in the time of trouble, right? So we're saying who God is. That's how we're starting the psalm. And then the next verse is what threw me off. It says, therefore we will not be afraid. Even if the earth shakes, even if something crazy happens, there's no reason to be afraid, because God is our refuge and our strength and our very present help in the time of trouble. And I'm like, man, how often is it that when the earth gives out, when the worst possible scenario happens, when I had the miscarriage, when we lost a job, when we had to move, we had no idea what to do, I was afraid. And it was because I forgot who God was. I forgot the God I serve. I forgot that the God who raised Jesus from the dead and is the only living God, that he's on my team. And so I allowed the situation to sway me, and now I'm fearful when God's like, yeah, I'm still here. I've never changed. Oh, if we could just remember who God is when we go through things. If we could remember, just like the psalm is saying, because of God's character, I can respond differently. And it might be strange, but that's okay, because that's the God that gives a peace that makes no sense. It's the same God. Like, oh, that we would be mindful of that when we go through things, to say, oh, wait a minute. The God I serve, the one that has deposited the Holy Spirit on the inside of me, is with me and will help me get through this. So I don't need to be afraid. I don't need to try to figure it out, because he has got it under control.